Hi guys, today I'm keeping the workshop, I'm keeping the workshop at 10 p.m. on Friday about the money heist. Money heist is basically the shortcut and tricks, G strategy for cracking the exam. See, chor nahi hai hum. But if you give me the words, for example, vocab, which I'm going to pick up tomorrow, capacious, relinquish, all these words, if you know the meaning of these 5 words, then you don't need to attend. If you don't know, then just call or WhatsApp any of these number. They will be helping out with tomorrow's workshop link. And in case you want to join us for the program for CAT and other exams, you are most welcome to join. Today, I want to pick up the cutoff for the IIMS. The main IIMS, what is going to be the cutoff as per the for all the categories. Ab dobara mat puchna. This is based on the 2021 data, which will help number one, those who are preparing now for 22 to understand, and those who are expecting the call, they also need to understand that this is the minimum required to get the IIM call. Okay. And we're also hiring interns for our branches. So Nagpur, Aurangabad, Nasik, Pune, Borivali, Dadar, Thane. If you are based in any of these locations, got a very good person in the CAT exam, but not getting into the main IIMS and want to repeat, then you're most welcome to join our team as a counselor, as a faculty, as a mentor. So we have various rules. So just WhatsApp any of these numbers, they'll guide you for the process. But you need to have a good percentile in the CAT exam. Okay, now for if you are the general engineer male GEM and target is only IIM ABC, अपन को नीचे जाना ही नहीं है. My target is only the main IIMs. For GEM, the percentile target is 99.7. Below 99.7 you will get only if you have a very good academic record. ठीक है, point number 1. Alright, overall 99.7, which means the sectional cutoff of minimum 30 marks, 20 marks, 18 marks, and total should be 113 plus. ये देखो यार, मैथ्स में मिनिमम 18 लेके आ जाओ, you have a very good chance to go to IIMS. So in other words, sectional should be 90 percentile, 90 percentile, 90 percentile plus, and overall 113 plus. Okay, then you can get a call from IIMS. Very good chance to get a call from IIMS. Non-engineer and general engineer female at 99 percentile, you can get the call from main IIMS. See, there are a lot of other factors also involved. Your gender, your category, your 10th ke marks, 12th ke marks, graduation marks, work experience. A lot of things are counted to calculate your call. But this is a basic thumb rule which I'm giving you. Okay, 90% of you will follow this thing. 10% will be outlier, because there will be someone claiming that, sir, I 1997 apne bola for OBC, EWS, I got a call at 96 percentile. ठीक है, हो सकता है, I can agree to that. But this is a mota thumb rule. 97 percentile, which is 80 marks, 99 percentile, which is 100 marks, and 90 percentile for SC, ST, PWD, 90 percentile, which is 60 marks. So if you can touch these numbers, you are going to get the call from the main IIMS. You can get a call from main IIMS. Again, depend upon your academic record, lot of other things as well. ठीक है, तो target should be minimum 99.7 for GEM and 90 percentile for SC, ST, and sectional wise 27 marks, 15 marks, 12 marks. If you can touch these numbers, which mean a sectional 80 percentile plus, आपको 70 पे भी कॉल आ सकता है, but target should be थोड़ा सा high, 80 percentile, and here the sectional cutoff target is 90 percentile. If you can cross this number, you have a very good chance to get the call from the main IIMS. Okay. And those who are going to prepare for the next year, guys, trust me, the huge difference between the new IIMS and the main IIMS. IIM Amritsar, वो भी IIM A ही है. End of the day, both of them are IIM A. चाहे अमृतसर हो, चाहे अहमदाबाद हो. So IIM Amritsar have a average salary of 13-14 lakhs. IIM Ahmedabad average salary of 28 lakhs. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, बस ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. But if I look at the marks wise cutoff, fine, 99.7 percentile, and IIM Amritsar, for example, for a GEM is 97 percentile, is 80 and 113. If you are getting 33 more marks, which is 11 question more, your package become double. Fine, that's a huge difference. So those who are going for the next year, this is a target setting for you. Those who are going the exam this year, this will help you understand कि मोटा मोटा ये number touch हो रहा है. You are getting a call from IIM ABC. I'll start the GDPI process immediately, the GDPI training process immediately once the calls are out, and we can expect the call anytime this week. IIM Ahmedabad, ABC are the first to give out the calls. IIM Calcutta is the first one to give the calls. So this is my expected numbers for IIM ABC. So all the best. And in case you want to join us as a student, you can join us. In case you're looking for internship, and have got a good personnel in CAD but not happy, want to repeat, then you just WhatsApp these number here, or in case you want to join for books, mock, shortcut, or the demo class tomorrow. All the best.